I'm Holger Suhr Petersen and I'm Operations Manager here at Damhusåen. Together with my team of 11 people, our boss and the maintenance department, we are the force behind all the daily operations at Damhusåen. The challenges we were facing prior to this project was we were doubling the capacity at Damhusåen while having significant challenges with uneven distribution. It was initially planned to shut down 25% of our capacity, but thanks to the innovative solutions proposed by Envidan and Vanderkamp, we're able to maintain full capacity while we do this process. This process not only enables a seamless renovation, but also impresses with extremely low energy consumption. It's a step towards sustainability and efficiency. Thank you. Furthermore, the process has brought to light some of the weaknesses in our current pumping station that we will take forward into the renovating process. The Siphon process has been proven to be rock solid and I sleep soundly at night.